Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open Thompson's water seal and other similar style stain and paint thinner cans. What I'm working on is restaining this pergola. It came with our house, so we're sanding it down and restaining it. So here's the can I'm using. It's the Thompson's water seals waterproofing stain. It's a solid color in acorn brown. We really like the color. It seems to go on quite thick and nice. It's a solid stain. The cap is right here on the top. So what you're going to do is push down on the cap and unscrew it, but you're going to see that there's a seal in there and there's no place to really pry on the outside or the inside. Around the edge there, it's kind of frustrating to try and open. So what you're going to do is take a screwdriver or a nail and you're going to put it right inside the cap there and take a hammer and give it a couple of whacks right on the top there until it penetrates that little seal, and just pry back and it should pop right out really easily actually. And you can see that that cap sits right inside the top of the spout. So when you do go to pour this, you're going to notice there's a direction to pour it. You're going to want that spout to stay in the top corner, otherwise it'll come pouring out on the bottom side. I did find that I had to give the can a little bit of a squeeze to get it to come out, just because it is very thick. And then when you're done, hopefully your project turns out as good as mine. I'm really happy with the product. The stain is nice and dark, and I would recommend using Thompson's water seal. So please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please leave them down at the bottom. Thanks for watching.